जय हिंद दोस्तों, आप सभी को पता CDS 1 2024 का तो रिजल्ट भी आ गया। CDS 1 2024 में लोगों ने बहुत ज़्यादा घबराहट आ चुकी है क्योंकि पेपर का पैटर्न बहुत ही चेंज हो चुका था। लेकिन फिर भी अनअकैडमी पर 200 से 250 सिलेक्शंस थी इस बार की। तो अब इनसे इंटरेक्शन करूंगा मैं। अब सभी को तो लाने से मुश्किल है, तो मैंने चूज किए दो बच्चे, दोनों से मैं डिस्कस करूंगा क्या स्ट्रेटजी थी इनकी, क्यों ये लोग पेपर बहुत आसानी से क्रैक कर पाए और कैसी आने वाले CDS 2 2024 की स्ट्रेटजी बनाई जाए सो दैट ऑल द पीपल हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर इट दे शुड बी एबल टू क्रैक इट। तो आइए जानते हैं इनसे इनका खुद का क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा, क्या इनके लिए काम की कि वो पेपर को क्रैक कर पाए। चलिए।
Unacademy. Let's crack it.
So we have a very special guest with us, Lakshmi, and another guy is Shikhar. ये स्पेशल सेशन इसलिए है, ये दोनों हमारे जो कैंडिडेट्स हैं इनकी कुछ अलग ही स्टोरी है जिन्होंने CDS इस बार ही क्रैक किया। और इस बार का जो अटेम्प्ट था बिल्कुल ही डिफिकल्ट लेवल का एग्जाम था, लेकिन फिर भी जैसे लक्ष्मी जी ने मेरे को बताया, शी हैड बीन प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर दिस एग्जाम और क्रैक इस बार ही बहुत अच्छे से इन्होंने कंफर्टेबली CDS क्रैक किया। तो ये सेशन इसलिए कि वी कैन हैव अ स्ट्रेटजी फॉर CDS 2 2024। तो क्या चीज आपको लगी पहले अटेम्प्ट्स में और इस अटेम्प्ट में कैसे बेटर हुआ, इस बारे में डिस्कस करूंगा लक्ष्मी जी से। विद रिस्पेक्ट टू शिखर जिनका अटेम्प्ट आखिरी था, शिखर थोड़ा सा आप अपने भी पहले मेरे को बताएंगे, लाइक हाउ मेनी अटेम्प्ट्स हैव यू अपीयर्ड इन दिस CDS एग्जाम अर्लियर?
Sir, I've attempted 5 exams.
Okay. And how much were successful in the written part?
Sir, 2.
Okay. तो दोस्त आपने इतना टाइम अपने 5 अटेम्प्ट दिए, what was the difference in this attempt and with respect to previous attempts कि कैसे बेटर आपका इस बार ही हुआ रिजल्ट्स?
Sir, definitely पहले जो attempts थे वो comparatively easy होते थे. Secondly, पहले जो मेरे attempts जो waste गए हैं, मैं थोड़ा सा उनके बारे में बताऊं तो पहले मैं इंग्लिश पे इतना फोकस नहीं करता, लाइक वो मेरी सबसे बड़ी गलती होती थी। आई वाज लाइक कि पीपल यूज्ड टू से मी कि attempts should be more than 100, but I used to attempt below 100 or 90 only to be on a safer side, but वो हमेशा भारी पड़ा मुझे and I wouldn't able to clear it. But in the last attempts I was like, let me go all in, so I started attempting in English completely, like 115 or 19 I attempted in the last attempt, and I was able to score around 75 or 80 in English. And in GS also my score was good, pretty good. In the previous attempt which I cleared, I scored 45, and in this attempt I was scoring nearby 40. So that's how it has been, and the difference which I made was just related to English. I started attempting more, and with respect to GS, this time it was comparatively hard, but कुछ चीजें थी सर पेपर में ऐसी जो अगर आप थोड़ा सा एनालाइज करके करो तो वो हो जाती थी आराम से। तो आई जस्ट एनालाइज्ड एंड डिड।
बिल्कुल। लक्ष्मी आपके बारे थोड़ा सा, आप पहले थोड़ा सा अपना बारे बताइए, बिकॉज व्हाट आई नो यू आर वर्किंग आल्सो एंड यू आर अपेयरिंग फॉर दीस एग्जाम्स, राइट?
Yes,
सो
sir.
हाउ हैज बीन योर जर्नी, थोड़ा सा उसके बारे प्लीज बताइए।
Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Lakshmi, and currently I'm working, as Shri Pratik sir already mentioned. My journey started during my final year when I came back in the COVID time. I came back to cantonment. My father is in the armed forces, and then I thought that I need some goal in my life, and I was completely not aware what to do. And then I saw these inspecting officers taking a round around the cantonment, and then I decided I should go for it. But first of all, I was not very studious person, and I was not completely aware about the GK part, and I was not that good in English also. So it took a little leap and a faith in myself that okay, I should prepare for the written. So my friend cleared it, and they suggested me that you should go for the Unacademy. It's an online course, and you can study at home also. You don't have to go on offline course coaching or something. So I took took a subscription for the Unacademy, and I started following Shri Pratik sir. But that time my internship was also going on. So the first attempt was not something I cleared it, but whatever I studied, I just did study polity, and that questions were coming. So I knew that I'm going in a right direction, and I should continue following the courses and the subjects and the questions which Shri Pratik sir is asking you. So I just followed the method and then I started practicing and I cleared my exams in one go. I cleared 3 attempts together. Then I joined my job, also my company. I started working also because I thought drop is not the way. I should do something side by side also. So my first attempt with my company, it didn't go well. I by somehow 5-6 marks I was not able to clear. That's what I analyzed, and then I again restarted with the basics, with the NCRTs and the PYQs, which are the most important, which people don't go for, and the revision. I think it's the most basic thing. And since I am a reader, my English was also okay, and I followed vocab, which is very important. People don't go for it, so I followed this word power book, which is there. I literally went for every word which is there, the root words which are very important. So because of that, my basics has been good, and that's why today I can say that though the CDS 1 2024 was very tough, but somehow I cleared it. That was my way.
Okay.
Before going ahead, I would like to mention this. I have joined an academy in COVID era in 2021, I guess. And back then, I started following your classes. But then I went to some other classes. No disrespect to anyone, but yeah. But in the later time, when I cleared my exams, before that also, my friend suggested you. One of my friends suggested you to go through your subjects in your courses, and I cleared that. And again, I followed you and I cleared that. I don't know if this is complete flow or something like that, but that is true.
Agreeing to Shikhar, I believe what we are seeing is that some educators are just extending the syllabus, and it is very important to have a mentor in your life who just tells you what is to be followed rather than going for a whole syllabus and everything, because CDS is not very hard. If you go for certain things, if you follow the basics, which are the NCRTs, the PYQs, if you analyze them, I think you can go and clear it.
Definitely.
That's all.
सो अब मैं तो ये समझ गया कि आप लोग क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं. अब मेन मुद्दा ये है, आपने देखा पैटर्न चेंज हो गया इस बार. CDS का पैटर्न चेंज हो रहा है. लाइक साइंस वाज क्वाइट टफ दिस टाइम. देन यू हैड अ ज्योग्राफी, पॉलिटी, वो भी थोड़ा बहुत चेंज हो चुका पैटर्न. आपको क्या लगा कि आपके फ्रेंड्स भी होंगे जो प्रिपेयर कर रहे होंगे फ्रॉम एवरीवेयर, क्या चीज है कि आपको लगा कि व्हाट वाज योर स्ट्रेंथ दैट यू वर एबल टू क्वालिफाई? लाइक इज इट बेसिक्स or is it a sheer luck which has made you clear this exam?
So for that, I would like to say it's no luck. First of all, I will like to say before exam, like it was on 21st of April, I made my calendar. I prepared my calendar from 1 to 15. I attempted complete length mocks for English as well as GK, from 9 to 11 English and 12 to 2 GK. I attempted as it is, and for that I have cleared my basics into that. Before that, I have revised every subject, and then using the PYQ, my mindset was set up as like UPSC zone. Later on, the days left from 15 to 21, I marked my weak areas and points, everything. I revised whole of the topics and again, and that is how in the exam, if there was something which I have not read, even there were lines which were in my mind that हाँ ये पढ़ा है. So through that, I was able to analyze and score.
Okay. And Lakshmi, आपका क्या कहना है इसके बारे?
For this attempt, yes, it was definitely a tough paper, and the question and the pattern was not something which we expected. I thought it would be an easy go and I would be scoring some 120 or something, because that's how I studied actually, but that didn't happen. Maybe I'm scoring some 90, 95 or something. That's what I told you, Shri Prateeksha also, and I was not sure that whether I'm clearing on it now. But I think what actually worked for me, the pattern which I followed, was that one thing was English. Since if you are a reader, if you are properly following the vocab and everything, that gives you an edge. And I think English, though people say it was tough or something, that the French words came and people are like, no, it is very hard. No, if you are reading the newspaper, these are something which always comes in a daily read. So it was not tough to clear the English. The left was GK. I won't say that the syllabus was out of something, you have never studied or something. If you basically follow the NCRTs, if you do PYQs, then at least you can say that, okay, this is a topic I have read, but some topics were little, typical. Like I am a biotech student. There was this question about the DNA, also some picture 51 or something. I was not able. But if you are clearing the exams, if you are following a pattern, I think you can make it. If you know the topics, if you know the basic, then you can make it. because now what they are wanting is not rataya material. What they want is your basic knowledge, the idea, what you are actually understanding through the topic. That was what was needed in this exam.
राइट. सो मेरे को अब अगला चीज़ है जी CDS2 2024. What you suggest, like what should be the strategy for the students, like how should they pursue this exam? क्या जनरल स्टडीज में सारे सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ने चाहिए? What was your opinion? Like हिस्ट्री आपने पढ़ा था लक्ष्मी और शिखर?
नहीं सर.
No sir.
टच भी नहीं किया था.
सर एंशिएंट पढ़ी थी सोच के कि कुछ आ जाएगा, लेकिन
हाँ.
सर मुझे नहीं आया.
तो भी नहीं टच हुआ. आपने वैसे हिस्ट्री में जोर लगाया था अपनी तरफ से?
हाँ सर लगाया. मैंने लिख लिख के पढ़ी थी सर.
लिख लिख के पढ़ी थी. कहाँ से? कौन सी बुक्स? लाइक न्यू NCERTs you followed?
NCERTs I followed. So I followed one of the courses on an academy, और उससे अलग NCERTs and YouTube पे जो an academy का आता है वो सब I follow. I literally wrote and studied everything. उसके बाद भी.
So अब आपका क्या suggestion है? What should other students like who are appearing first time for this exam, जिनका plan है, what should they do?
सर इस एग्जाम को करने के लिए which I think is no hard and fast rule. कोई ऐसा रूल तो है नहीं, but basically it is a strategy to clear this exam. ऐसा तो है नहीं कि आपको सब कुछ पढ़ना. English is most important, that is said and done. उसके बाद GK में I feel like geography, polity, science, which these are the subjects which carry weightage, and the current affairs, and you can be sure of because इसमें concept ज़्यादा है. So these are the subjects you should go through, and clearly you will be able to score 40 or 45 arams in the GK part.
I want to ask both of you, were these three subjects which were the reason for your cracking this GS part in this CDS1 2024?
For me personally, yes sir.
Like geography, polity and science?
Yes sir.
And current affairs.
And
current affairs, obviously. Current
Yes.
affairs are there as a, like you can say, relief for us because easy पूछता people.
they are the bonus mark.
They are direct one, you can get easy score if you are studying them.
Yeah. What about the economics part? आपने अभी mindset बनाया कि economics पढ़ूंगी अब मैं?
Sir, to be honest, like my job gives me some 3 hours in the evening, which I can utilize at night. So in night, I study from 10 to 1 or 2 sometimes. That's the only time. In that time, either I can revise what I have written or solve the PYQ. So I don't try to go for new subjects. Yes, I tried history because last time I remember that you only told us, from the new NCERTs, direct questions are there. So I tried, but I realized it's not my fault. Like I also made written notes and everything, but I realized no, I'm a science student. Let's just go with the subjects I know. So yeah.
Science students के like I was from PCM background, so economics मेरा कभी था. I studied economics from Rakesh Negi sir, Himanshu Kushwaha sir, and एक और academic educator करते थे Karamveer sir. I studied from 3 teachers, but didn't get a single word. इकोनॉमिक्स हमेशा सिर से ऊपर गई. ट्राई टू मेमोराइज समथिंग लाइक माइक्रो एंड मैक्रो में कुछ उससे 2 या 4 ही क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट कर पाया था, उसमें से भी 2 गलत हुए. तो इकोनॉमिक्स इज दैट पार्ट फॉर पर्सनली मी, फॉर एज क्योंकि मेरा 12th वाज इन लाइक PCM and I have done my graduation from arts.
Yeah.
But I believe that even if you are leaving 2 subjects, which is history or economics, if you are a male student, there's no much issues of merit. If you are just scoring 110 or 115, you are short in. But for the girls, you need 125 or something to get in. 120 plus you are needed. So in that case, I believe if you have time, if you are just starting right now, go for history. It's not a very big thing. If you really put your heart and soul into it, you can crack it. It's not a very, rocket science or something. You can do it. For the economics also, there are some few topics which you just have to go for it. And if you do those also, you can go for it. For me, it was not something I decided to do.
Yeah, that is what I was about to talk about. लक्ष्मी, मैं यही चीज़ आप सभी से पूछना चाहता था. जैसे आप कह रहे हैं ना कि मैं ये 3 सब्जेक्ट्स, इस बार साइंस ने भी धोखा दिया, राइट? आप अगर कहो साइंस में 11th-12th के क्वेश्चंस थे which you were not able to touch even because you have never read it. Though you may have touched because background था. So all in all, you can never say like you can skip history, you can skip economics. Economics में भी अगर आप subjects में check करो, the topics are related. Like poverty, वहाँ से पिछली बार भी question था, इस बार भी था, right? Poverty के ऊपर तेंदुलकर कमेटी से question था, GDP deflator था, द टर्म्स वर देयर विच वर देयर इन द सिलेबस. हाँ, क्योंकि यार कई बारी बैकग्राउंड नहीं होता इस सब्जेक्ट से, तो यू डोंट टच इट मच. But it is like, I will say, all the subjects are crucial, but yes, you have to touch the subjects accordingly. उसका मैनेजमेंट, क्योंकि हम अगर एक सब्जेक्ट को बिल्कुल छोड़ दें और सोच के बैठे कि वहां पर स्कोर हो जाएगा, दैट विल नॉट बी अ राइट वे. आई होप यू एग्री विद दिस थिंग. हमें टच भी करना है, लेकिन उस हिसाब से करना है कि यार हम पूरा उसके ऊपर डिपेंड ना करें. जैसे अगर हम आप इस समय बात करें कि मैं पूरा साइंस पे डिपेंड करके जाऊंगा, क्योंकि किसी टाइम पे ना सीडीएस में बच्चा सिर्फ साइंस पे डिपेंड करके और करंट अफेयर्स पे डिपेंड करके जाता था. बट ऑल इन ऑल कई बारी चीजें चेंज हुई. इवन करंट अफेयर्स दिस टाइम दे चेंज. भारत रत्न पूछा गया, किसको मिला ये नहीं पूछा, इस प्राइज में क्या क्या है वो पूछा गया. सो दैट इज हाउ आई विल नेवर एवर से कि skip it, we have to read it. And
Definitely,
for
sir.
that you have a particular things which we need to do it. Yes, even civil services में भी कई बार ऐसा है, you cannot touch even. But अगर एक और चीज जो मेरे को लगता है, जब आप जनरल स्टडीज के ये सारे सब्जेक्ट्स को सोचो, ये रखे गए हैं, आपको कहीं ना कहीं एसएसबी में इसका हेल्प मिलता है. When they ask you certain terms which are related to economics, which are related to history even. History you can never forget until unless you understand it. Like what are the things, what are their like contributions of different personalities in modern history, ancient or medieval. So these things will definitely help you. मेरे
True,
को
in the GDs, yeah, please go on, sir.
बिल्कुल नहीं, आप बताइए अब जो जीडीज में भी हेल्प करेगा.
It is true, sir. The topics in GDs are mostly national or international issues only. In that, history plays a major role. If you don't know what are the relations India has with other nation, you won't be able to do it. So current affairs here are not just for the static part or something like, okay, this award has been given to this person or something. You should be thorough with the news, what is going on, why Israel or Hamas having a war, how it will be impacting India and everything. So their history is coming as an important role. And every subject, I believe you should be well versed if you have time. Like right now you have the time to have a deep study, follow the NCERTs, follow the PYQs, which are majorly important. And the most important thing which people forget is the revision. Shri Prateek sir has been from his very first class has been telling, okay, you can follow the classes, but revision comes to the play. If you are not, revising the things, then you would be like, oh, I cannot learn, oh, I don't remember. That thing would be happening. So if people have a plan in their mind, if they have faith in their things, what they are doing, they can crack it.
बिल्कुल. अब मेरे को थोड़ा सा आप लोग दोनों बताएंगे, क्या आप न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हो खुद से?
सर अभी तो पढ़ रहा हूँ एसएसबी वगैरह.
एसएसबी के लिए आप टाइम मिल रहा है आपको लक्ष्मी?
Sir, my roommate is actually preparing for the UPSC, so she daily, has this newspaper in her hand. So sometimes I, skim through the news or something. If not, then I follow the YouTube, like Palki Sharma is there, the World Affairs by Prashant Dhawan. So now he is joining the Study IQ. So you just have to go through the news, like that's more than enough.
Okay. What I will suggest you is newspaper reading. For a new person, it will be like it will improve their English also, other than coming to know about the current affairs part. तो मेरे को लगता है ये दोनों चीजों में हेल्प करेगा, इंग्लिश में भी और जनरल स्टडीज के करंट अफेयर्स में भी. हाँ जी शिखर, आपका क्या कहना है?
बट न्यूज़पेपर इज रीडिंग इज आल्सो एन आर्ट. मतलब आपको क्या छोड़ना है क्या पढ़ना है ये भी पता होना.
ये भी पता होगा बिल्कुल.
And
हाँ जी.
as I'm like repeatedly given the examinations and this was my last attempt. So with experience I can tell you one thing. Reading and repeating the same course and same syllabus again and again becomes very boring and monotonous. But for that, there is just one formula. You have to do it for the sake of doing it. And you're reading all. I've read my all subjects like economics. I've read history and everything. They were not my cup of tea. I got to know once I read it. So you should read every subject. That is helpful for your SSB as well. But focus on the part which you can score more.
Obviously, you have to prioritize. You cannot give a priority to all the 5 subjects, right? अगर आप सोच के बैठो कि मैं प्रायोरिटी बिल्कुल बराबर दूंगा ज्योग्राफी को भी, पॉलिटी को भी, हिस्ट्री को भी, साइंस को भी, that is not possible. What we are saying is just read it first. For एक बारी समझिए जरूर. क्योंकि यार पेपर में नंबर आना या नहीं आना इस बारी ज्योग्राफी में आ गया, अगली बारी पता नहीं यार होगा या नहीं. But what is important is your basics should be very good. You should be able to understand the subjects, the intricacies of the subject, and the third thing is interlinking of the all the subjects. क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं आप अगर चेक करो ज्योग्राफी और इकोनॉमिक्स इंटरलिंक करती है, इवन पॉलिटी और इकोनॉमिक्स भी लिंक करती है. अगर हम पॉलिटी में बजट पढ़ते हैं, सेम चीज इकोनॉमिक्स में हम बजट के बारे डिस्कस करते हैं कि क्या है रेवेन्यू डेफिसिट, क्या है कैपिटल डेफिसिट. नाउ आई शुड आस्क यू अबाउट क्या चीज होनी चाहिए किसी भी एस्पिरेंट के लिए. लक्ष्मी, आपने मेरे को बताया कि आपकी जर्नी कितने टाइम से शुरू हुई है इस तैयारी की.
सर 2021.
आपको क्या लगता है, आप तो जॉब भी कर रहे हो साथ साथ, कितनी बच्चे को कमिटमेंट देनी चाहिए आर्ट्स की प्रिपरेशन में?
Sir, for me, what was major thing which always helped me was my drop year, during which I actually put my heart and soul in preparing my notes, and I left no stone unturned. Like, okay, this should be prepared, and made notes from NCRTs also. So now, what I have a weapon is my notes. So when I know the exams are coming, I just open my notes before a month because I have cleared it, so I know what I need to study. If you are starting for the first time, please start beforehand for 5 months something, or join courses which are helpful for you. Just make your notes, such detailed notes, in a way that you know in the future when you have to reread the topic, you just skim through it and you know, okay, this is the topic. So that would help you. And secondly, English, something which people leave it. They are like, oh, my English is good, I know what the person is saying. No, that's not the English which CDS is asking, and there is something you are losing the negative mark and everything. So please do PYQs, follow some videos, improve your grammar, start reading. Reading newspaper is important because it will help you in the SSB also. The interviewer literally asks you question about the news. Okay, tell me 10 news, tell me 5 news. There also it comes into play. In the GDs also it comes into play. Even the GTO at times, during the command task can ask you. So in the newspaper is also very important. And NCRTs, like I'm again saying it, NCRTs are the main mantra for the UPSC exam, any exam. And sir asked me like how many hours of study I should be,
Yeah.
So my schedule, if I tell you, in the morning I just get up and go for my office, then I come back around 7, and then sometimes I cook, sometimes I do exercise whenever the SSB is near, or I keep it in regular. Then around 10 I open my books, I start studying till 2. I won't say that there is a lot of concentration or something, but I try to tell myself, okay, you have to do it, you have decided to do it. And at times it becomes very boring because you are studying the same thing, but you have to keep reminding yourself why you started it, like what was your main mantra for starting it. I was a student who was not at all well versed with geography or any state, if you had asked me that time. So it becomes, it comes in hand if you follow some good mentor, some books, some strategy, some consistency, and it will work for you.
राइट लक्ष्मी. शिखर, आप भी मेरे को थोड़ा सा अपना बताएं यार. आपने मेरे को बताया कि ये चीजें बिल्कुल बहुत सही बताया कि व्हाट वन शुड नॉट डू. आपने आईएमए में भी दिया. मैथ्स के बारे थोड़ा सा कैन वी टॉक अबाउट इट, लाइक व्हाट इज योर स्ट्रेटजी अबाउट मैथ्स पार्ट?
सर फॉर मैथ्स पार्ट आई वुड लाइक टू से मैंने एनडीए में दी है इससे पहले 5 या 6 एनडीए मैंने दी थी. आई वाज़न्ट एबल टू मेक इट. मेरा मैथ्स शुरुआत से वीक था. 12th में मैथ्स मैंने घर वालों से लड़के इसीलिए लिया था सो दैट आई कैन गिव एनडीए एग्जाम.
ओके.
तो हालांकि उसमें सक्सेस नहीं मिली. देन आई स्टार्टेड अटेंडिंग सीडीएस इन 2021 एंड अगेन आई वुड लाइक टू सेकंड द व्हाट लक्ष्मी सेड. इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट दैट यू मेक योर नोट्स. तो पहले 5-6 महीने या साल भर आपको देना ही होगा रेगुलरली एंड कंसिस्टेंटली टू दिस. लेटर ऑन योर पावर इज योर नोट्स. जो भी होगा जैसे भी होगा वो आपके नोट्स होंगे. मैथ्स आई वुड लाइक टू से मैथ्स इज ऑल अबाउट प्रैक्टिस. इफ यू प्रैक्टिस एंड प्रैक्टिस यू विल बी एबल टू मेक इट. अदरवाइज if you lose practice on mathematics you will lose concepts and it will all go on through. So maths is all about practice, right? That is my father also believes. So that is how it is. And for sir newspaper and all you should read daily, as it said it will be useful in SSB as well. But Later on, when it gets repeated in the attempts, all the syllabus and all the courses, it's important that you should have your notes and you should just skim through it and you should get whole the topic by just even looking at it. You should get to know that उस class में उस dialogue के साथ मैंने ये पढ़ा. If that is the level of preparation you are going through, you are going.
अब मैं आप दोनों से एक चीज पूछना चाहता हूँ, लाइक यू हैव अपेयर्ड इन दिस एग्जाम, यू हैव क्वालिफाइड, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स व्हिच वन शुड कीप इन माइंड अगर कोई बंदा बार बार पेपर क्रैक भी नहीं कर पा रहा? इज इट बिकॉज ऑफ हिज ओन issues, like he is not studying, or maybe he is not getting a right guidance?
So I think both things come into play. If he is not studying, definitely he'll not be able to make it. And if he is not getting the right guidance, then also he'll not be able to make it. For this, sir, I would like to say, as I was giving repeating attempts, तो मेरा attempt ऐसे ही रुकता था 2 या 3 नंबर से maximum हर बार. तो I would like to say these 2-3 marks, so the 4-5 marks which you lag behind are the hardest to cover. For that, you should have the right guidance. Then only you will be able to cover that. You will be able to bridge that.
मैं इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ क्योंकि कई बारी क्या होता है, we start our preparation, right? And we start our preparation, we start reading NCERTs, क्योंकि हर बंदे ने कहा NCERTs पढ़ना है, आपको ये चीजें पढ़नी है, न्यूज़पेपर पढ़नी, everybody knows. But what is important is what are the things which we need to leave in that topic? और क्या NCERT पहली बारी पढ़ने में समझ भी आती है हमें?
नहीं सर, बिल्कुल नहीं आती है. And definitely, as you said, वो पता होना चाहिए क्या पढ़ना है, क्या छोड़ना है. This is very true. As I said, this exam is a strategy. इसमें कुछ ऐसा नहीं कि आपको PhD करनी है किसी एक सब्जेक्ट में. हाँ. You should have the basic knowledge of all the subjects and you should know what UPSC is asking. मतलब UPSC का mindset आपको पता होना चाहिए. And that will come if you go through PYQs. Once you read the topic, go through PYQs, try solving them, and you will definitely get it.
Here I would like to bring a point also which many people miss out. Yes, okay, you have read the notes and everything, you have prepared, now you are going for the exam. There, what mistake people commit is that they attempt either too many questions out of overconfidence, or either they leave too many questions.
Yes.
So a right mindset in attempting those questions should be there. You should know how many questions you should be attending. Sometimes people, in English, they are like, I know English, I'll attend all questions. Don't do it. Be sure whether you are okay or not. Like last time I attended some 110 and that's why I was scoring 85. This time, I won't say the English was very easy, but it was easy. So this time also I followed the same pattern. I think that's why today I can say I have cleared the paper. So right mindset to having which question should be attempted should also be knowing. So people should come sit in the mock test, and that way they can know that okay, they are going in a right direction.
Definitely sir, मैंने मतलब OMR sheets आते हैं, मैंने सर 2 भरे हैं वो पूरा literally full length mocks लगा. So that is how you get through the practice.
Right, Shikhar. Any last minute tips for the upcoming people who are appearing for this CDS 2 2024? आपका क्या कहना कि वो चीजें हमेशा ध्यान में रखनी है जब प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं इस एग्जाम के लिए? From both of you, आप the top 3 things which one should do, like most important 3 things which one should be doing for this examination.
Okay, so for that I would like to say first is revision, second attempt mocks, and third just believe in yourself. If you are doing it right, you will get through it.
Okay.
I think as Shikhar already mentioned, revision, consistency in your efforts is very important. If sometime you leave the subject, then of course you will forget it, because my brain has a tendency of forgetting things. So be consistent with whatever you are reading. Mocks are important, PYQs are as important, and thirdly, which I mentioned, that the way you are attempting your paper plays a major role. If you are marking all the questions, definitely you will fail the exam because there is a negative marking, and for that purpose only UPSC has created the negative pattern. You will be getting a negative score if you are marking it wrong. So be careful, whatever you are attempting, be confident, believe in yourself. It's not a rocket science, you can always make it in.
So बहुत बढ़िया लगा लक्ष्मी और शिखर आप दोनों के साथ इंटरेक्ट करके. विद रिस्पेक्ट टू, वी जस्ट वांटेड टू डिस्कस द स्ट्रेटजी. बहुत सारा एस्पिरेंट इस समय घबराया हुआ है यार. CDS 2 2024 के लिए क्या क्या मेरे को पढ़ना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि पैटर्न चेंज हो चुका है, ये सारी चीज़ों की प्रॉब्लम बन चुकी है सभी एस्पिरेंट्स की। सो लास्ट मिनट व्हाट आई वांट टू गिव द टिप्स टू द स्टूडेंट्स, स्टिक टू द बेसिक्स, NCERTs, previous year questions, and then your newspaper reading, because that's a thing which will help you not only in your GS part for your current affairs but also for your English. Stick to these three things, they will definitely, आप पेपर पक्का पार करोगे अगर सही तरीके से मेहनत मारते रहोगे। और टाइम को बहुत सही तरीके से अपनाइए, क्योंकि अभी जैसे सभी का पेपर है सितंबर में, राइट? सो यू हैव अ लिमिटेड टाइम, have a right guidance what you need to do, what topics you have to read, और वो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन कहीं ना कहीं आपको हेल्प कर देते हैं कि क्या क्या चीजें पकड़नी है। आई होप आप भी एग्री करेंगे इन चीजों के बारे, लाइक विद रिस्पेक्ट टू क्या क्या चीजें पकड़नी है। साइंस को बिल्कुल इग्नोर ना करें। पिछली बारी फिजिक्स नहीं पूछी, दैट डज नॉट मीन लेट्स इग्नोर फिजिक्स। पिछली बारी बायो नहीं पूछी गई, डज नॉट मीन बायो पूछी बट 11th-12th की। हाँ, अब यहाँ पर भी बच्चा कंफ्यूज है इस समय साइंस में, क्या मैं सिर्फ 11th-12th की बायो मतलब 9th-10th की पकड़ूं या 11th-12th की भी पकड़ूं? पर पहले मैं यही सजेस्ट करूंगा कि पहले आप 9th-10th की अच्छे से उसके ऊपर ग्रास्प कर लें। इफ यू गेटिंग टाइम देन वी कैन गो फॉर 11th-12th ऑल्सो, देन डू इट। ये ना हो कि आप 11th-12th की साइंस पकड़ के बैठो जो नॉन मेडिकल मेडिकल में पढ़ते हैं, और वो पढ़ते पढ़ते बाद में बच्चे को लगे ना वो याद हुई और 9th-10th वाली भी गई। एग्री? ये चीजें हैं, और बाकी करंट अफेयर्स के लिए रेगुलर एफर्ट्स डालने चाहिए। वी कैन डेफिनेटली क्रैक इट। सो
one more point, like for the newspaper reading, if you are a starter, at times you don't like it because you are not understanding a thing about it. What issue is going, okay, you don't know. So I would suggest that you can watch online sources also. From there you can, you know, make your international affairs or the national affairs better. Then you would be definitely liking the newspaper. You would be excited what Trump is doing, what Biden is doing, why China is taking this step. Then it becomes very easy for you.
Exactly. So beginning, sir, ऐसी I would like to take like 1 hour or more than an hour to read a newspaper. But currently now I take only 40 minutes hardly.
Yeah.
So that is how.
बिल्कुल, रादर यही चीजों के लिए तो मैंने ये सेशन रखा था, so that you people can guide the students, like what are the things they should be focusing on, because best thing you can tell what was the thing which made you crack और क्या चीजों को अपनाना। So बहुत अच्छा लगा मेरे को लक्ष्मी और शिखर आपसे इस वार्तालाप में, जिसमें हमने डिस्कस किया सारी चीजें, कैसे हम CDS 2 2024 को टारगेट कर सकते हैं। मैं आप दोनों को बिल्कुल आप दोनों को बेस्ट ऑफ लक भी कहना चाहूंगा, ताकि आप अगला एग्जाम करो SSB में अच्छा अपीयर हो पाए आप। एंड हमारे अनअकैडमी पर मिशन SSB एक बैच भी चल रहा है, विच विल बी फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू पीपल। डू जॉइन दैट बैच, बिकॉज दैट कैन ऑल्सो, आप घर से कुछ ना कुछ गाइडेंस ले सकेंगे क्या क्या पढ़ना क्या क्या नहीं। सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। थैंक यू। जय हिंद एवरीवन।
Thank you, sir. It was nice talking to you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Jai Hind, sir.
Unacademy. Let's crack it.